It is with great sadness to be gathered here today to bid farewell to a very special, irreplaceable, legendary and creative icon, a hero of the city of Bulawayo. The city of Bulawayo has lost a giant in Mhlanga, who contributed immensely to the growth of the creative arts sector in this country. His work truly speaks for itself and has laid the foundation for growth of the creative arts sector. As a writer, an actor, a playwright, a critic, and he had a great impact to the city of Bulawayo, as recognized and appreciated by his efforts towards the development of our creative arts industry. And it is for this reason that on the 16th of June 1993, the city of Bulawayo leased 1,038 hectares of land to Amakos Theatre Productions for the establishment of a permanent arts center. And the Amakos Cultural Center, whose groundbreaking ceremony was held in March 1995. I'm happy that these efforts did not go to waste, as the center has offered the highest quality of training and production of theatre in the country. Cont Mhlanga's commitment, diligence, and excellent leadership qualities as founder and director and producer of Amakos has been instrumental in putting the City of Kings on the global map. What started as a simple complimentary performances at the Stanley Hall in Makoko by enthusiastic amateur karate students turned out to be a force to be reckoned with. I say this because Amakos is broken ground in the world of African culture, arts, plays such as Diamond Warriors, Workshop, Negative, Stitcher, Double Up, Cry, Isililo, Nancy and Daughter have gone a long way in developing the theatrical arts in Bulawayo and in marketing the culture and inspirations of the people of Bulawayo, nationally, regionally, and internationally. Ladies and gentlemen, as already acknowledged by various speakers, Mr. Mhlanga brought distinction and honor to the city through his contribution in the development of the theatrical art and setting up of Amakos Theatre Production. It is for this reason that Council conferred him with the Civic Honours Award on 18 October 2022. And we still forever be proud of this decision we took. Sinati, as the city of Bulawayo, we gave Mr. Cont Mhlanga his flowers while he was still alive. And we don't regret that decision. I encourage every person with us today, especially those in the creative industry, to take lessons from the life Cont Mhlanga lived. He was a go-getter who seized every opportunity with both hands. He had a purpose in life to be a voice to the voiceless, and he excelled in doing that. Let us ask ourselves what our purpose in life is and what we are doing for the city. Because it's not only the city that is to do something for you. You must ask yourself what you are doing for the city. Imakos Ikona is the legacy that will remain with us forever. And we hope that since we are going to start a foundation, we hope that they will immortalize his legacy. We are not going to tell them what to do with that Amakos Theatre Square, but we hope that his name will be engraved on that structure forever and ever. To the Mhlanga family and friends, the city mourns with you on the loss of this one of our own, a hero of the city. We are aware, of course, that the family has taken a decision to inter his remains Eka Elpan. The city would have loved to in Teyo, where the luminaries of the city are interred, a large standing cemetery. But we respect the decision of the family. City, akambe kahle Mhlanga, mkhulu lo msebenzi, and we believe that sasemkhulu lo msebenzi.